Hey, welcome back. This video is about my kitchen renovation, completely from scratch, actually. Here in Yucatan, Mexico, as expat rebel Chris here, and welcome back to my channel. And today was day 4 of the kitchen renovation. They got a lot more bricks up. If you've been watching, you'll know that we're gonna have a nice granite slab here, and an oven, which we already purchased. And then we're gonna have this island that if we stand right here, and we're gonna have all this counter space that's gonna go here in our sink. So they just built out more, and they probably got a few more days. They're telling us this is gonna be a 6-week project. This is day 4. I believe there's 6 weeks thing. Once they get this done, then the kitchen designer is going to come over and measure everything, plus the granite cutter. So we bought this really fancy granite here in Mexico. It's actually from Brazil, and it's nice blue-green to go with the Gulf of Mexico, which is right over there behind those palm trees. So we wanted something to match. So we got that. And of course, once they have all this done, the kitchen designer, and there's specifically a guy that just does granite cutting, is going to come over and do very precise measurements so that they make the cabinets to order, custom for our place, and of course cut the granite before they come out. I think they're not going to be cutting it here. I think they're going to be cutting it at their workshop or something like that, and then bringing out the finished unit. But we'll see, and I'll show you that as we go along. We did have a little meeting with the electrician. So everything you see that's orange, that's going to be their electrical, on how many outlets we wanted. It's actually quite a bit. And then one of them, I think that's going to be over here, there's going to be a power drawer. We're going to have, you can stick all your electronic goodies in there, charge them up, and close the drawer. So that's going to be one thing that we wanted to do in our kitchen design, because, you know, I get to charge stuff, but I don't want to watch it being charged. And this is where it's come along nicely. And in an older video, I showed how we did this entertainment center. That's where the TV goes. That's the air conditioner. And we got looks here and there. We're gonna have a couple of palm trees here and some pothos coming down. It's my favorite plant as well once we get the kitchen done. Whereas right now we're living in our downstairs casita, which is a big studio. Well, we got a bedroom upstairs. We sleep up there, but hanging out during the day. We're either on the palapa or on the patio, which is mostly what I've been doing today. But we want to watch TV and go to the downstairs kitchen. That's all downstairs in the casita. Hoping once this kitchen's done, this is going to be the living area, the kitchen, the living room, when we want to chill inside. When the sun goes down, where you want to watch something. That's the plan. Thank you for joining me on this video. We'll have some more updates, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let's appreciate that. Got a question about doing a kitchen renovation or install in Mexico, or maybe even in a foreign country? It is different. We're using an architect in this case, the kitchen designer, to project lead this little project for us, but we've also hired people directly as well. So we got a lot of experience on the different projects that we've done, going either way so far. Either way's okay. We like hiring direct, though a little bit more. And so you got a question, leave that in the comments. And if you're interested in a weekly newsletter about expat stuff, go over to expatrebel.com and sign up for that. I share a lot more over there as well. See you guys next time. Bye.